That don't look good. I recently made a retirement video showing you the place that I'm going to live when I retire and opening up a new workshop and an Alley Picks store. So I had to come down last night to take care of some business, and it was clear that a storm had rolled through. I saw some damage, and when I pulled in I saw that some trees were down. And the amazing thing is not that we had trees down, but where the trees were down. This is what I woke up to. Snapped off up there and blew like 15 feet. Grazed the corner, no serious damage. And this is no small tree. Oh, but it's not just this tree. Let me show you over by the cabin. Right up there. Look how close it came. Look at this, it's so close to the house. I don't even see any damage on the roof, yet there's branches resting up against it. It's almost like God said, look at my power. And then he laid the tree down and said, you're welcome. And that's how we do that. Just to give you an idea of how bad the storm must have been that ripped through here, I'm about a quarter mile away from those trees. Those trees over there, that's my property. This building behind me has 3 doors. 1, 2, and 3. They're all ripped off. The left half of this door opening got completely blown off, while the right half somehow landed on the roof. Look up there, that one's ripped out. These 2 doors are down. That one got blown off. That's blown off. Split. Wow. And there I am over there. That is just crazy. And I guess I'm feeling a little bit more grateful today. I was just headed home when I saw this.